So hello, good day. So today we want to look at this question. Okay, so here we are asked to solve this equation 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta equals minus 2.5. So what we can do is to express this particular expression from here. We can represent it as r cos theta plus alpha, where we will now look for r and alpha. So we make this equivalent to this. That will be 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta. Okay, so that's what we do first. So after doing that, we'll find this and this easily, and then we can now go back to the equation to solve it. Okay, so 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta equals r cos theta cos alpha minus r sine theta sine alpha, right? So we compare this with this and also compare this with this, right? Okay, so this is gonna be 3 cos theta equals to r cos theta cos alpha. Then we also compare this minus 4 sine theta equals to minus r sine theta sine alpha, right? So this is gonna cut this is gonna cut this. So we have 3 equals to r cos alpha. And here minus will cause minus. So we have 4 is equal to sine alpha, right? So let's make this equation 1, equation 2. So to be able to get r, we need to square both sides, right? Don't forget the r is here. We need to square both sides. So this is now going to be 3 squared, then r cos alpha square, then 4 square, r sine alpha square. Okay? So look with 9 will be equal to r squared cos squared alpha, and it's 16, which is r squared sine squared alpha, right? Okay, so let's call this equation 3, call this equation 4. If we add 3 and 4, if we add 3 and 4, that's going to be what? R squared cos squared alpha plus r squared sine squared alpha. So that will be 9 plus 16, right? So r squared from here is going to be cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha, which is 25, right? So this is going to be equal to 1 because cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha is going to be 1. So r squared from here is going to be 25, where r will be square root of 25, and that will be 5. We take the positive parts, right? Okay, so after getting this, we will now look for tan alpha. So we use this one to divide this. So we say equation 2 divided by equation 1, and that will be what? R sine alpha all over r cos alpha, which will be equal to 4 over 3, right? 4 over 3. Okay, so r will cancel r, tan alpha will be equal to 4 over 3. Then alpha from here will be arctan of 4 over 3, right? So what is alpha from there? So if we use our calculator, we can easily get that. Okay, so here we press shift, then we press tan, right? So we'll put 4 divided by 3 as over 3, close the brackets. So then we click this. So what do we get? We got 53.13. So 53.13. So that's alpha for us. Having gotten that, then we'll now put everything back into this expression. So which is going to be 5. That is 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta is the same thing as what? 5 cos then theta plus alpha, which is 53.13, right? Now this expression is equal to what? Minus 2.5, right? So what is now cos theta from here? You take this 5 to this side, so that will be what? Cos theta plus 53.13 degree is equals to minus 2.5 over 5, which is minus 1 over 2, right? So that means cos theta plus 53.13 degree is what? Is equals to minus 1 over 2. Okay, now if this cos goes to the other side, so that will be arc cos, right? So we have arc cos 53 minus 1 over 2, right? So what is arc cos of minus 1 over 2? You know, that's 120, right? So theta plus 53.13 degree is 120 degree, right? You know, this value here that we obtain here, you can convert it to the general formula. And the general formula for cosine, you know, is going to be n360 plus or minus theta, right? So this is the general formula for cosine, n360 plus or minus theta. And our theta is 120. So we just need to convert this one to this form, this form. So this is the same thing as theta plus 53.13, and that what n360 plus or minus 120. So that theta is 120 there, right? Okay, so from here now we'll now take this one to the other side. Okay, so theta from here will now be n360 minus or plus. So we split this into two. The first one is the plus, the other one is the minus. So when it is plus, when this one is 120, you have 120 minus 53.13, right? So 120 minus 53.13, so that's 66.9. So that will be theta will be n360 minus plus 66.9 degree. That's one solution. The other solution is n360 minus 120 minus 53.13, right? So that was 120. So that would be 173.1. So that would just be n360 minus 173.13, right? Okay, this is the second solution, right? So this is how we solve and get the answer. Okay, so in our next lecture, we'll look at the other method of solving this problem, right? Thank you.